Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to flip and rotate your screen orientation on your GoPro Hero 9. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So that is right, you can easily and effectively flip your screen orientation on your GoPro Hero 9. Let's say if you want to go from the landscape mode and flip it to the vertical mode and start recording, it's very easy to do that. Now the first thing you want to make sure is you don't have the orientation lock on. So if you rotate your GoPro and then swipe down from the top, the orientation lock will be this button right here. It kind of has 4 triangles on it. If I press it, this will lock my orientation. So now if I rotate my GoPro, none of the icons or anything will rotate. So if I start recording now, it's going to be in the upright position. So if I flip my camera over, the entire screen will stay in this position while I'm recording. So if I have orientation lock off, my entire GoPro will flip, just like this. So you can see I can record in the vertical mode now. So if I start recording in the vertical mode, it's going to stay in this orientation, even if I rotate my camera. As you can see, the icons are still over there. And I can completely flip my camera upside down. And then it's going to record in this mode. Now, one of the cool things is, let's say if I want to record always in this vertical mode, if I swipe over and go to the orientation lock, I can lock it into this orientation just like this. Start recording. Completely rotate my camera, and it's going to stay in that position. So if you always want to have your camera upside down, you can lock it into this position. So here we go. Let's lock it in the upside down position. I'm going to rotate my camera so you can see the icons stay on the bottom. So just mess around with the orientation and the screen lock, and you can record in any direction you want, whether it's upside down or if it's vertical. Check it out. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to GoPro coming up next on YourSixAdventures.